Hi, I'm Joey Simmons. In this video, we'll walk through a 2-point pH calibration on a Stratos Pro. To begin, we will hit the down button to go to the menu. We will then scroll over to the calibration menu. Once here, we will select Cal pH. We will have it set in Calimatic, which will automatically identify the buffers we will use. Now I have dipped my sensor into the first buffer, which I'm using buffer 7. I will wait for it to stabilize before advancing. Once it is stable, I will hit the enter button to move on. We'll go through the process of calibration. I will now move on to Cal 2. I will rinse my sensor off and dip it into the second buffer and select Cal 2. Again, I will wait for my buffer to stabilize before advancing. I will move on to my second buffer. We will now calibrate on the second buffer. Our calibration is now completed. We have a 97% slope with a 4 millivolt zero. I can come in here and select the enter button. Now I can either go back to measurement or select repeat if the calibration was not acceptable. I'll come in here and hit measure. It'll take us back to the measurement screen and we can move on to measure. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.